Hello, we have to discuss about that. GS1 members are writing preparations. Discuss how colonization's contribution to the redrawing of political boundaries and the creation of the modern nation state in the 19th and 20th century. 150 words and 100 words में. Introduction. Colonizations, the dominations and the exploitation of foreign lands and for the imperial's benefits reshaped the world political map in the 19th and 20th century, and it is the imposed artificial borders and system and that involve into the frameworks of the modern nations state and body. Colonial impact. Political restructurings, arbitrary and borders towns. Colonial powers carved territories and with the little regards and for the ethnic tribals or the linguistic realities. Example, the 1884 Berlin Conference divided Africa into the zone and then the split ethnic groups and merged rebels, centralized administration, colonials and governments, stabilized bureaucrats, and that becomes the post-colonial state constructed. Colonial state established bureaucrats that become the post and colonial state structures. And British India civil Service and provincial system and become the templates and for independence India. Mandates state created the civilization, draw new borders after the dismantlings and old imperialism. And example, the Iraq, Syria and Palestine and where the curve from Oman's land via the British and France mandates. Colonial impact. Social, illogical, economic legacies and urban the centers becomes the capitals. Colonial statements transformations transformed into the post-colonial administrative nerves. Example, Nairobi once the British railway post and emerged as the capitals of the Kenyas. And colonial economic pattern and persistences, resources extraction, economic curve and long-term regional inequalities. Example, Belgian and Congo mining centrics economy left waste and the disparities post-independence. Ethnic identities hardened colonial census rigidified and identities and showing the features divisions. Examples, Belgium's classification of Hutu and Tutsi and the Rwanda's and worsened ethnic tensions. Emergence of nations state, anti-colonial movements and unified populations. Resistance and fostered and collective nations identities. Example, India struggles against the British created a cohesive idea of the Indian nation. Adoptions of the European state models. Most post-colonial and nations and retained imposed borders and institutions. Example, African nation expected the colonial frontiers to avoid the further conflict and disintegrations. Conclusion. Colonization redrew map, imposed borders and shaped the institution of many the modern states. Through the independence came letters. The colonial legacies still define the political and social counters of such of the contemporary world. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड देख लेते हैं. Evolutions, the role of the indigenous political leaderships in accelerating the decolonization process across the Asia and Africa. 150 words and 10 marks. Decolonization in Asia and Africa was shaped by the native leaders who guided the peoples to freedoms through and protest, diplomacy and visions. They becomes the driving force and behind ending colonial rules and building new and independent nations. Key contributions. of indigenous leader, mass nationalist movement, indigenous and leaders and organized political movements that united ethnically and diverse populations under other shared anti-colonial visions. Example, Nehru and Gandhi steered the Indian National Congress into the mass-based nationalist force and non-violence resistance, peaceful civil disobedience and inert and morals authority while exposing and brutality. Colonial's brutality and example, Amilcar Cabral and led effective guerrilla and welfare in the Guinea and against the Portugal. Question number 4, diplomatic negotiations and pan-nationalism and identity assertions, institution borderings. Diplomatic negotiations, leaders shares the independence through the political negotiations and international advocacy. Example, Jomo Kenyatta and combined resistance with diplomacy to achieve the Kenyan's independence. Pan-nationalist and identity assertions, leaders and revived indigenous pride to challenge colonial natives. Example, the NKRU Maha champions Pan and Africa to the United and post independent. Example, the Namadi and Abijike and promoted the federals and structures in Nigeria, transfers to democracy. Others and factors and facilitating decolonizations and weakens colonial powers. World War II, economic and military drained Britain and France. Example, Britain initially and to maintain its the empire led to repeat and with the withdrawal from Asia and Africa and international pressures. The UN and global opinions turned against the colonials. Example, the UN charters promoted the self and determinations, legitimizing and the decolonizations and demands and Cold War dynamics, superpower and the rivalries and encouraged support for the anti-colonial movement. And example, both the USA and USSR supported the decolonized and nations to expand influence. And conclusion, indigenous leaders and bear the principles and force divine colonizations through the aided by the internal shift and their the visions, mass mobilizations and negotiations strategies accelerated the fall of colonials and remains across the Asia and Africa in the 12th century.